Would you like to, pwede magkwento or ano? What were you doing in Shang?
Siya, nasa Rockwell kami.
Ayan, si Tita Ethel sagutin niyo. Baga, go, address Tita Ethel. Nasaan kayo ng Feb 14?
Actually,
Gusto namin honest answer.
Well, we were at Rockwell. We were just shopping for computer games. But to be honest,
Shopping for what?
computer games. But to be honest, meron kaming dinner plans, but it got cancelled because the restaurant was full. So
Cute. Ba yun? Tahimik ako na. Ayan, pati si Tita Ethel natahimik din sa sagot. Kinilig ka, no?
Now the next question. Is it the real thing between the two of you now?
is what real.
Is Jaden really in love with are you the two of you in love really?
We're really
Honest
close.
answer.
We're really close, and why are you so quiet?
Because you're answering already. But yeah, we're just really close with Tita Ethel. Really? Really?
Yan, let's give it to them na close sila and
Anong gift nyo sa isa't isa?
Sige Did you guys,
Honestly po, wala.
Ha?
Wala po.
Bakit?
Prepared for
We were
this.
unprepared.
Sino ang mas kuripot sa inyo?
Wala mong sasagot yan.
wala nga amin.
Wala nga amin.
Kasi, kailangan ba may regaluhan po ba?